Well, I just finished putting together the police helicopter transport. What a fun little set. We're doing this kind of fast because we just got in from Michigan. PD Annabelle and I and Charlie on a little vacation. And so we put this one together tonight. It was a fun little set. Comes with a semi. We'll go over everything in detail. And as always, there will be pictures at the end showing you all the minifigures and everything else. What you need to keep in mind is this one flies. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you a video of that because it's cold and nasty outside and I want to get this up for you. So we can get to our next pick of the week. I don't know if we're going to call it pick of the week, the pick of something, but all right, let's get into it. One of the first things you build is this right here. It is a police motorcycle with a little guy on top. Actually, I've got the wrong head on there, but hey, nobody will ever notice. It's a fun little motorcycle. It's actually just like another motorcycle I have from another little set. But you got the little, looking like a light. And you also get this four-wheeler to do your jailbreak scene like they have on the box. Just got the hook that drags behind. The money on the back, which I'm not sure why it's got money on the back. It's a little four-wheeler. That'll be fun to do something with. Actually, I really like this four-wheeler. It rolls really good. It's kind of cool. They can make some cool sets later. And we got our minifigure with the hat on. And what you really came for, and what I like the set for, because obviously I like semis, is the semi itself. Now here's your helicopter, which they make these so they fold down on both sides and hold your helicopter in place. And it stores this thing here, which is actually your handle to shoot off the helicopter. It's really ingenious how they did that. And in the back stores the zip thingamabobby and make it go through the air. It's super cool. But there, I have no doubt that this thing would fly. Because, you know, we used to have these as kids. This is a very playable set, for sure. And there's your helicopter. Now I get you close-up pictures at the end. You got your little pilot inside. And keep in mind, this is a little set. There's a lot going on with this little set. You got your computer station, holds a walkie-talkie on back, handcuffs. He's got his coffee cup there, but you would never have your coffee cup on the dash. Just saying. And actually, I'm astonished that this trailer tracks and backs up very well. Alright, let's get her turned around. I mean, it even turns around like my semi. How fun is that? And the other side you have the jail thing, and it's made to pop off to make your little play scene. Which, this thing is very playable. It's very durable. This is a fun little set. I highly recommend it. Alright, here's a close-up of your helicopter. It's got the little guy inside. This whole thing pops off to take the guy out, but it will fly. It was easy to put together. Didn't take me very long. As you can see, that thing spin like crazy. Huh. Well, I guess in the spring we'll make her go. How about that? But it's a fun set. I'd recommend you get it. It's going to be a great addition to them trucks that we have here. Which we got to figure out a way to line all this stuff up, because I think in this scale, I think this is my second semi. Oh well. But thanks for watching. I'm gonna draw the next one to be built right after this. Well, not after this. It'll release in a couple days. I'm going to make it today, but it'll release a couple days after this comes out. And stay tuned for lots of Lego videos and trucking videos and vacation videos. We just dropped a vacation video. It's going to Michigan. And our first load back of the year is going to be up to Wisconsin, which that will probably come out before this. Oh, as always, the end of this video, going to have your pictures. Y'all take it easy.